Hi everybody, I'm just popping on here for a second just to show you all how to give the doggy CBD. And we just lift up the doggy lip like this and pop it right in there. And that's all done. Mwah. And now I'll show you how to take CBD for yourself. So I'm going to use a different finger because I just gave that to the doggy. And you put it on your finger, you do a pretty good sized glob, and then you scrape it off your bottom teeth. Press it under your tongue and leave it there for however long you like. I like to keep it in there, and normally if you don't like to keep it in there, you can do it for 2 minutes. Leave it in for 2 minutes, no eating or drinking, 5 minutes before or 5 minutes after. And as always, if you have any questions or concerns, please call 802-598-4524, and I would love to have a consultation with you. Have a beautiful day, and thank you for purchasing our products.